In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Notion template using ChatGPT, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This method is perfect if you want to build planners, trackers, dashboards, or any custom workspace in Notion without starting from scratch. Using ChatGPT saves a massive amount of time and helps you structure your template the right way from the beginning. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to chatgpt.com. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, sign in using your email or Google account so you can start a new conversation. After you're logged in, click on the New Chat button to open a fresh chat. This gives you a clean space to describe exactly what kind of Notion template you want to create. Now, in the message box, type a clear request like, "Create a Notion template for my needs." You can be specific here. For example, you can ask for a Notion template for task management, content planning, study tracking, personal finance, or even a full productivity dashboard. The more details you give, the better the template will be. Once you press enter, ChatGPT will generate a structured Notion template layout for you. This usually includes headings, sections, bullet points, and sometimes database-style formatting that works perfectly inside Notion. Take a moment to read through the response and make sure it matches what you're looking for. If you want changes, you can ask ChatGPT to refine it, add sections, or simplify it. When you're happy with the template, highlight the entire response and click Copy. This copies all the text so you can move it directly into Notion. Next, open a new tab and go to notion.so. Log into your Notion account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside Notion, choose the workspace where you want to create your new template. Click on New Page, either from the sidebar or using the plus icon. This will open a blank page where your template will live. Now, simply paste the content you copied from ChatGPT into the Notion page. Notion will automatically format the text, headings, and lists, so everything looks clean and organized. At this point, you can customize the template even further. You can add icons, covers, databases, checkboxes, or links to other pages to make it your own. When you're done editing, your Notion template is ready to use. You can duplicate this page anytime you want to reuse the template, or share it with others if needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a Notion template using ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on Notion, AI tools, and productivity software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.